And I'll show you that first. This is our campground. Right here, there's people come up and look at beautiful views. There's Kevin's Tacoma and trailer, and the old Jeep. Did good today with my trailer. And now what we're gonna do is see how bad is it inside. I have not opened it up yet. And just a paper towel down. Oh wow, that's pretty impressive. Toilet's still in, fan still on. Very nice. Lights fell down, that's okay. This little lantern fell down. Not bad. Now let's look at the back. Hey! Everything held up. Pretty cool. Nothing bad. Water's still leaking somewhere. Oh, the little one. Water's still leaking a little bit. Not bad. Alright, these held up. That kind of went down some. But they're still nice and tight. Yeah, pretty good. I like it. Look how beautiful that looks. Pretty nice though. So we got a little cold. Hey, good job, man. We got a little cold. So we decided to find some wood, more wood. Ooh, he the man. He the man. Alright, chicken going, water going, view going. Got some locals out, but that's cool. They're gonna start charging them a little bit of money for some food. Oh yeah. Look at the sun. That's our chicken and rice.
Try to put
The smoky. Look at that. This is a pretty local place, and so a lot of people come up to see the sunsets, which obviously, hopefully we'll have the sunrise all to ourselves tomorrow, but it's cool. We're cooking chicken now. We're set up here on the top. Nobody's bothering us. I mean, we're not bothering anybody. Here's our setup. And we'll get the fire going in a minute. We got cold. The breeze started blowing. So we got some wood. Kevin's hard at work. Hard at work cooking it up. I ain't doing nothing but smelling it. And that sun, jeez.